Want to know how to make money dropshipping? Well, you're in the right place. This video will break down the process into easy-to-understand steps, providing you with 7 key tips to be successful. Firstly, you should understand that dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Hence, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Tip 1. Choose the right niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market. Choosing the right niche can make a substantial difference in your profitability. It's not always about choosing what's trendy, but about finding a niche where you can add value and stand out. Tip 2. Find reliable suppliers. Your supplier is your most important business partner in dropshipping. They will handle all the logistics and product handling, so make sure to do your research and find reliable suppliers. Tip 3. Create a user-friendly e-commerce website. This is your storefront, and it needs to be easy to navigate and appealing to your customers. Remember, you want your customers to have a seamless shopping experience. Tip 4. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial in driving organic traffic to your site. Use keywords relevant to your niche to help your website rank higher in search engine results. Tip 5. Offer excellent customer service. Remember, the customer is king. Address queries promptly and handle complaints professionally. A happy customer is a repeat customer. Tip 6. Use social media to your advantage. Social media is a powerful marketing tool. Use it to reach out to potential customers, showcase your products, and build a community around your brand. Tip 7. Always analyze and adapt. The e-commerce world is always changing. Keep an eye on your metrics, learn from your mistakes, and be ready to adapt to changes. In summary, making money from dropshipping involves choosing the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, creating a user-friendly website, optimizing for SEO, offering excellent customer service, leveraging social media, and constantly analyzing and adapting to changes. It's not an easy path, but with diligence, creativity, and a bit of entrepreneurship flair, you can create a successful dropshipping business. So, why not take these tips and start your journey today?